welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys why I think glueless wigs are superior to frontal wigs. So, the first reason, oh, and by the way, I am wearing a glueless wig right now. So the first reason is glueless. I mean, glueless wigs, you don't need any kind of glue at all. Like, it's something that you could just put on already. For the most part, frontal, you're gonna need glue to lay that down, to melt that lace, you know. Glueless closure wigs, you don't need any of that. You don't need any glue whatsoever. You know, no harm to edges at all. Like, I messed up my edges because I was wearing frontals for days and days at a time. You know, over time, I could see my edges just being snatched. My edges were gone, and for some time, it was hard to grow them back. And it was definitely, and I know it was the glue, because I've never had my edges so, like, it's just been balding, you know. So I just kind of stopped with that and just, you know, invested in a closure wig because I wanted to just, you know, keep my edges, because my edges are important, you know. I need my edges, you know. And I don't want to have a receding hairline. And I feel like most wig influencers that I've seen and that I have on my page, on my TikTok, Instagram, when I see them prep their wig and actually, you know, getting ready to lay down the lace, I can see their natural hair and, you know, like the hairline are just slowly receding back. And I can see it. I can see the receding hairline, and I don't want that to be me. So, and I don't want that to be anybody else. Honestly, like, do what you want. Money, you know, that's how you get paid. You know, rock new style, that's cool. But I am making wigs for the girls that want to keep their edges. I'm making wigs for the girls that want to actually grow their hair while they're wearing glueless wigs, because a glueless wig is something that you can just take off whenever you want to, with it still being secure. So that's the reason why I think glueless wigs are the best. The second reason is low maintenance. Like, y'all, it's a glueless wig is something that you can just put on instantly and go. Like, you can do your little tweaking and, you know, baby hairs and stuff like that, but even baby hairs you don't even need. Like, this wig right here, it has some leftover glue, but yes, I am wearing this glueless wig. This is a 6x6 closure. I do like the large parting space. This would be called like a mini frontal, like having a 6x6 closure is like a mini frontal. So you can kind of like play around with it. And I like how it kind of gives that frontal look, but it's still glueless. You know what I mean? So that's what I have on right now. And y'all, I could easily take this off and put it on, and I'm good right out the door. Like, I do this every single morning, and I do this in a way to like keep my edges, grow my hair, and just, you know, and just keep a cute style if I wanted to. Get you a glueless wig. So yeah, and you can get it at seraccewigs.ca. Another one is natural look. It gives off a natural look. So, and most of the wigs that I make are either transparent or HD lace. If you want like a very thin, seamless look, I'd say go for HD, because it will look like you melted that lace, but you did not melt that lace at all. So I highly suggest to get a like HD lace wig. The one thing though about HD is that it is thin, so you do have to be careful with it in a way that you don't try to, like, you know, pull it or anything like that, because it could easily rip. So that's one thing I can say. But if you are gentle with it and you continue to be gentle with it, it will stay as seamless as possible for as long as you have it. So that's one thing I would say about the natural look. You know, it blends in with your skin tone, and it's just like, you know, there's an adjustable band at the back, so you can easily just put it on. You don't need any kind of baby hairs. Like, you don't even need it. You really don't even need a glueless wig. Like, you really don't need baby hairs, honestly. Like, if you have a glueless wig, you will look good with baby hairs, and you will look good without baby hairs. Yeah, I would say natural look for that. And the next one is more affordable. So glueless wigs are most times closure wigs. So if you know the difference between a closure and a frontal is a 13x4, 13x6, like a wide parting space from ear to ear, and it could be 4 inches. It could be those are the two standard size of frontal laces. So I highly suggest getting a closure wig, because they are less expensive, and they range from 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7. I'm not a big fan of 7x7 because I just think it's too big, it's too square, you know what I mean? I feel like I have less versatility when doing 4x4 and 5x5 because they are small enough to only do one party, like a middle part. Side part is, you can tell that a person has a closure wig trying to make it a side part. Like a 6x6 is less noticeable. Closure wigs are very easy. They're just something that is very easy to put on and just go right out the door. So you're definitely gonna get a good deal. Yeah, another one would be comfort. You know, you do not need to get an install at all. And sometimes you gotta sleep in the frontal, depending on how long you wanna wear it for. You have to sleep with the frontal. And you know, in my case, I don't like sleeping with frontal because I end up like sweating, and I kind of have to like scratch it, and I just don't feel like my forehead is breathing. You know what I mean? Like I just feel like I'm stuck and I have all this glue on. There's more comfort when you can take your wig off, just put it on tomorrow, you know? Some closure wigs have adjustable bands at the back, so you can have it as tight as you want it, and you know, you can have it as loose as you want it. So if you feel like you're getting a headache from your wig, from your glueless wig, you can easily adjust it to like let your head just breathe and just, you know, be comfortable again, you know. But if you have a frontal wig and it's too tight, you kind of have to like deal with it or take off the wig. So your wigs last a lot longer because you're not sleeping in it, you're not, you know, you're not doing too much with it at all. So, you know, it lasts longer because you're taking it off at night and you're putting it back on in the morning. So this May is gonna be 2 years since I've had this wig, and y'all, it's amazing. I love it so much. And I make these kinds of wigs so that you guys can have that kind of luxury and, you know, just enjoy your wigs and have them for as long as you want them, knowing that whenever you want to just put something on and you look good quickly, a glueless wig is your best friend. It's never gonna, like, people are still gonna ask where you get the hair from because the quality is just amazing, you know? Let me know any other questions that you guys have about wigs. Put it all in the comments below. I would love to answer them for you, and I would love to make videos for you guys about wigs because there's so much to talk about, and I want y'all to get all the information that you need about wigs so that when you get one, you're satisfied. And that's the end of my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys at the next